nakatulog kayo ng mahimbing kagabi and maganda yung gising nyo this morning. Kasi ako, maganda yung gising ko this morning, guys. Because, finally! Ayan! Nakuha ko na siya, yung order ko online. And I will show you what's this inside. This is very important, guys. This is not very, very important. Very important, guys. Ayan. Dito lang ko na. Ito yung in-order ko last year. Last year pa siya, guys. And dumating lang siya today. Kaya, open natin. Ayun po. It's not easy, guys, too many tape. So, my baby, because they don't wanna be mabasag. Broken. Ito na siya, guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan, yung in ngayon. And, ayan. What's this inside? Ayan siya, guys. Meron siyang user manual. Ayan. And ito yung case niya. And very protected, guys, because full of packaging. And this one. So, ayan. Open natin siya. Ayan yung kanyang bag. Meron siyang bag. So, open natin siya. Wow. Sarap! Ayan siya, guys. Ito yung holder ng phone na meron siyang ano bang tawag dito? Fun Chase, the smart professional robot cameraman. See, this one you can battery, guys, battery, nice. You need to charge it. This battery. How you gonna open this? I don't know how to open this, guys. There you go. Ayan, lalagyan siya ng battery, guys. Tatlo siya. And, ayan. So, hindi ko pa siya magagamit today. Wala siyang free na battery, guys. So, I'll have to buy tomorrow. And, we're gonna press only this. This one. Ayan, press. Kita ba? Ayan, i-press mo lang siya dito. And, just like a robot, wherever you go, you're gonna put the phone here. I'm gonna demo you because my phone is on my chair, so we're gonna put it. I'm gonna show you when it's tomorrow when it's working. And this one, yeah, you're gonna press this, and wherever you go, you're gonna follow you. So this is nice, guys, for making TikTok. And sometimes my vlog, sometimes I use my phone for my vlog. So, ayan. So, yan lang, guys. Share ko sa inyo. This is a Fun Chase Smart Professional Robot Robot camera. So, ayan siya, guys. Oh, ayan. Tapos, this is a robot cameraman. And that's it. I like the color white. It's nice. It's so whole. And I like it because battery siya guys. So wherever you go, no need to charge. Just always don't forget your battery, and you have this. You can put on your the car front, yeah, and wherever you're driving. So they're gonna follow you. This one wherever your face going. Gonna follow like that. So I'm gonna show you tomorrow after I buy the battery for this, and I'm gonna demo you tomorrow. Yeah. So babalikan ko kayo guys.
The next day.
So ayan guys. Ito. Continue natin yung demo dito. Tapos, ayan. So, after you put the battery, you turn on this, and then they have barcode. If your phone is Android, you can tap Android. If your phone is iPhone, you can tap here. So, I tap now for iPhone because I'm using iPhone. And then they show the fan case, and then you have to download that. So let's try to download. Yan, downloading siya guys. Yan, download siya. Ayan. Ayan, it's still working on. Still a light on. So, ayan na siya guys. So, downloading na. And na-open it. Ayan. So, countries would like to access the microphone. Yes. Ayan. And then, we connect the Bluetooth, I think. Countries would like to access the camera. Yes. Ayan. So, guys. Ayan, naka-bluetooth na siya. So, lagay na natin siya. Oh, shit. Look at it, guys. Where is it? You see that? You see that? It's moving. Look. Look. It's moving. You see that? If I look. See? There. Wherever I go. Yan. Oh. So guys, look. Wherever I go. Just stop your face. See? Look. There. There. Look. There. Then. Oh, see? And then come back. Look. It's moving. One more. Wait. There you go. So guys, that's it. Yeah, you have always they have green square. Have to tap in your face. It must be your Bluetooth is on always. Yeah, look at that. There. There. See? Did you see that? There. See? Ta-da! There you go. And then there. Oops. There you go. Oops. Look, hi! There. Oh, that's it, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Still moving every time I move. So, it's nice, guys. Mura lang siya. This is a robot camera. So, very, 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 very useful this. See, and after that, they will record you and save it to your inbox or your I mean not inbox, your photo. Yeah, they will be saved what I'm doing and just look like that. Partner sila. Ayan. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan guys, and thank you for watching, and shout out dyan sa mga taga Romblon. Marami na ako dyan mga friends, and mga subscribers. Subscribe sa mga taga Pangasinan. Marami rin ako mga subscribers dyan. Thank you to Realim, taga she live in Romblon, Shamel Factor, and Mary Rose Seriano. Ayan, thank you guys, thank you ladies, thank you for supporting me and helping me to gain more subscribers. And huwag kayong mag-alala na masusuklian ko yung mga kabutihan niyo sa akin ng balang araw din. I got some little money left. You know guys, it's very difficult the situation now. Sana natin naman. But I can't forget all the people who helped me. I will give you back. Ayan. Hindi man siya material na bagay. It's a gift. I will send you a gift one day. Surprise. So when I get your address, telephone number, and your full name, just give me, and I'll give you a gift one day. So yan guys, sana supportahan niyo pa ako at sana marating na natin yung road to 1K and more and more and more. So when I get that and we're success, the first thing I can do is I will help the place that my three ladies there, Realin, Mary Rose, and Shamel. I will help your place to send a little gift. So sana tagumpay tayo dito sa ating mission na to, and sa mga taga and also sa aking mga subscribers wherever you live. Shout out sa inyong lahat, and sana mag-iingat kayo. Sana naman huwag na kayong mag-unsubscribe, please, para marating na natin yung ating minimiti, at sana para matulungan kayo kung mga taong nangangailangan. Pero uunahin ko talaga yung mga tumulong sa akin. Marating ko yung nararating ko akin. Pag narating ko yung yung mga tumulong sa akin, hindi kayo malilimutan. And you know guys, I am very very thankful to this YouTube because when I will stay here for a long time, and sometimes hindi naman sa ate yun. Kasi dito wala naman dito nagsasalita ng Tagalog, all English, may accent kasi. And ako minsan nalilimutan ko yung mga Tagalog before nung mag-start ako dito. Sa tagal-tagal ko na ng almost 1 year na nakakausap ko kayo guys, kahit ganyan lang tayo, is nababalik na sa akin yung Tagalog language ko na nasasadaw kasi medyo nalilimutan ko siya before. Like my children now, they forget their Tagalog sometimes when I talk to them, they don't understand. They just only 3 years here in Australia, but because they going to school every day, they talk in English, and here also in the dito sa amin sa inside the house, we're not talking Tagalog. So ayan, because we're not talking Tagalog because I want them to learn proper English. So ayan. So ayan guys, salamat sa inyo kasi nabalik muli sa akin yung aking pagsasalita ng Tagalog. Ayan, tuwa ako. Pati ang asawa ko ganun din, sabi ko, huwag namin kalimutan yung aming language. So, ayan guys. Ayan na nga. I-end ko na itong vlog na to at masyado nang humaba. So, sana ligtas kayo dyan. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. Bye guys! See you on my next lovely day. And stay safe and God bless. Abangan niyo yung aming giveaway next month. Meron tayong giveaway. So, yung mga hindi pa din nakaka-subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just comment, go, subscribe. Don't start. So, ayan. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.